Hi, I'm Delaney, your local real estate guide here in the Treasure Valley, and I specialize in helping buyers navigate the new construction process. If you're curious about building your dream home, exploring new communities, or just want to know what's out there, you're in the right place. Let's take the guesswork out of building in Idaho. If you're thinking about building or buying new construction here in the Boise area, I'm here to make that process easy. I'll do the legwork to help you find the right floor plan, the best builder incentives, and the neighborhoods that truly fit your lifestyle. So don't forget to like, subscribe for more helpful tips. I'd love to help you take the next steps in finding your new construction home.